Well, that is a piece of aluminium angle. Not particularly interesting, but when you can turn it into this is my power strip for my micro machine lab with emergency off switches, and all I've got to do is just, and it goes off. That's about the cheapest emergency off you can possibly do, and I think it'll probably work. And this is basically half of this 8-foot angle of aluminium, and including the ends, and it's all held closed by a single screw. So yeah, I'm quite pleased with that.